Alright guys, got the pistons in, rings gapped, everything's ready to go. Set it in there and put the heads on it in the car. Timing cover, oil pan, all that's on. Left the headers on the heads. It's easier that way, saves you a lot of time. You don't have to fight with the headers and put them on after you get it in there. You can snake them right down through there on the Chargers and Challengers. You can do it. I've done it a couple times. Maybe put it in there tomorrow or the next day, whenever I get some more time. There's the old piston. One of the old pistons. There for comparison.